Check is around the corner. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise children. Thank you. La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la por su seguridad. Sus manos dentro del vehículo y cuida a los niños.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track.
We're on the test track today.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface.
Connecting to.
SIM car performance data acquired.
Let's see
Bouncing
how
around
your designs
everywhere.
hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
Yeah, let's go. We're in first.
Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
First place. Oh, wait, no, second place.
Scanning SIM car for optimal eco efficiency. Engaging eco scan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact.
Second place
Commencing
again.
responsiveness test.
Okay. Responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test. Displaying power test results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the sim car. Active disembark.
it? Super good. Huh?
We're gonna try to get this video posted out there for tomorrow morning. See you guys.
Seems like we all liked it.
Please watch your step as you exit. And remember to take all your personal belongings with you. Be sure to check your final performance numbers in our scoring area.